Alright guys, today we're checking out the Q50 and we're going to be checking out this thing here, my moisture absorber. Let's see how much water has accumulated inside the car since I put this in maybe 6 months ago. And as you can see, that is a lot of water, mostly due to the infamous sunroof drain clog. So today we're going to be checking out this thing here to see if we can fully clear out the sunroof drains. This thing is around 78 inches long. We're going to be using this and see how much crap we can get out. Let's go check it out. All we will need today is this drain snake and a bottle of water to see afterwards if the water is actually draining to the bottom of the car. So let's open this up and head to the top of the car. Alright, so on most cars, the drain hole is located on the right side. Let me see if I could get a angle here. See if I could get that circled for you. Let's see, where is it? Right down there. All right, we're on top of the Q50 on the right side of the car, passenger side. Most cars will have the drain hole on the top corner, so you're gonna have to look for it. But we're facing front and this is the passenger side. So I've already got the snake already in. As you can see, it's pretty long, 78 inches. It got stopped basically 3/4 of the way. Let's see, the brush seems fairly clean. So let's plug it back in. Keep going down. This thing's flexible enough to bend through the internal tubing, and as you can see here, it's stopped. Still about 2 foot left on the drain snake. Seems like it hit its end. I won't go anymore. I don't want to force it or pop anything. All right, as you can see here, fairly clean. So I'm gonna grab myself that bottle of water. All right, so I got that water here. We're gonna be pouring it down and see how far it drains. Let's go test it out. All right, I believe that's enough. You can see the hole here. It's draining really fast after clearing out that drain. So let's go to the bottom and check it out. Oh yeah, working perfectly. So by buying this cheap $3 tool, you can save yourself thousands. Apparently it's a big issue with these Infinities where they wet your internal carpet and the water gets into your BCM, ECM, causing all kinds of electrical issues. And replacing the parts can cost hundreds, and then getting it programmed by the dealership will cost you another couple $100, costing you a total of thousands of dollars. So by doing this twice a year, spending maybe 10 minutes each time, you can save yourself a ton of money, regardless of what car you use, because most of these cars have electronics inside the car, and getting it wet can cause havoc to your car. So if you want to go check out this cheap little tool on Amazon, I have it in my description. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and hope to save you guys thousands of dollars. See ya.